Hello students, welcome to my channel CGAT Maths. In this video, we are going to find out a correlation coefficient and lines of regression for the following data. So we know the correlation coefficient formula. The correlation coefficient formula is right here, just look at R is equal to sigma x square plus sigma y square minus sigma x minus y whole square divided by 2 times of sigma x into sigma y. Okay. Here first we need to find out correlation coefficient R, then we are finding the lines of regression. In some other examples, first we need to find out lines of regression, and next we need to find out correlation coefficient. Yeah, whenever the R is asked in a second part, that is first find out lines of regression, then find out correlation coefficient, then that case we are using R is equal to square root of coefficient of coefficient of x into coefficient of y, the regression lines. So that we are using, but in this example we are using R is equal to sigma x square plus sigma y square minus sigma x minus y whole square divided by 2 times of sigma x into sigma y. And there is one more formula we are using for finding the correlation coefficient, students. That is okay. The one more formula is we are using summation of x minus x bar into y minus y bar divided by n into sigma x into sigma y, but we are not using in this example, students. So now let us find out. Now let us find out or first construct a table, okay, because we need to find out sigma x square, sigma y square, and sigma x minus y. For that we need x bar, y bar, z bar, as well as a summation of x square, summation of y square, and a summation of z square. For that we need to construct a table. So let us construct a table. In the first you can write capital X, small y, and z is same as x minus y, and next is x square, y square, and z square. Okay, x takes the value, students, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and y takes the value, already we have 10 12 16 28 25 36 41 41 49 40 and 50. So this is x minus y. X minus y value is 1 minus 10 is minus 9, minus 13, 4 minus 20, minus 30, minus 34, minus 41, minus 31, minus 40. So let us write x square. X square is 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 36, 49, 64, 9 9s are 81, 10 10s are 100, y square, 10 square is 100, 12 square is 1 44. 16 square is 256. 28 square is 784. 25 square is 625. 36 square is 1296. 41 square is 1681. Similarly, 49 square is 2401. 40 square is 1600. 50 square is 2500. Similarly, we can find out x minus y or z square, x minus y whole square or z square. 9 square is which is 81, 100. 13 square is 169. 24 square is 576. Similarly, 20 square is 400. 30 square is 900. 34 square is 1156. And 41 square is 1681. 31 square is 961. Last one is 40 square is 1600. Now I am going to summate these values. Summation of x square is equal to, you can add, you will get 385. Similarly, summation of y square, by adding these you will get, students, 11,387. Similarly, summation of z square is equal to 7624. Getting this value, so let me calculate mean. First, mean of x bar is equal to, this is summation of x divided by number of terms. So you also have summation of x is 55. Summation of y is 307. Summation of z is minus 252. So this is summation of x bar is x, mean of x is summation of x, that is 55 divided by total number of terms are 10. So 55 by 10 is, which is 5.5. Now summation of y bar is equal to 307 divided by 10 is 30.7, and z bar is equal to minus 252 divided by 10 is minus 25.2. Next, I will go for sigma x square, student. Sigma x square is equal to summation of x square divided by n minus of x bar whole square. Fine. Here summation of x square is 385. A different color. 385 divided by 10 minus x bar whole square, 5.5 whole square is which is equal to 8.25. 8.25. So sigma x square is 8.25. Then sigma x is equal to square root of 8.25, which is equal to 2.87. Similarly, sigma y square is equal to summation of y square divided by n minus y bar whole square, which is equal to summation of y square is 11,387 divided by 10 minus y bar is 30.7 whole square. So its value directly I am going to write sigma y square is 196.21, then sigma y is equal to, which is 14.01. Okay. Similarly, sigma z square value is summation of z square divided by n minus z bar whole square is equal to, you can write summation of z square is 7,624 divided by 10 minus z bar. Z bar value is minus 25.2 whole square. Okay. So its value is summation, sorry, sigma z square value is you will get z square value is, which is 127.36 students. Okay, now let me move to next slide to calculate the value of r value you already aware. Okay. So the value of r is equal to sigma x square plus sigma y square minus sigma of x minus y whole square divided by 2 times of sigma x into sigma y. Just substitute the value, which is sigma x square is 8.25 plus sigma y square is 196.21. Sigma z square is 127.36. Just you can go back and observe, divided by 2 times of sigma x value is, students, which is 2.87 into sigma y value is 14.01. Just you can go back and check it. So these are the values, sigma y and sigma x value. So by calculating, we'll get r value is equal to 0.96 students. So once you get the value of r, then we are going to write the equations of lines of regressions. Equations of lines of regression. So equations of lines of regressions are very simple. See, these are y minus y bar is equal to, this is m. M means r sigma y divided by sigma x into x minus x bar, and x minus x bar is equal to r sigma x divided by sigma y into y minus y bar. Okay. So on substituting, okay, so this is y minus, to know y bar is 30.7 is equal to r value is 0.96 into sigma y value is 14.01 divided by sigma x value is 2.87 into x minus x bar is 5.5. Similarly, x minus x bar is 5.5 is equal to r is 0.96. Sigma x is 2.87 divided by 14.01 is the value of sigma y into y minus y bar is 30.7. So on simplification, okay, students will get y is equal to 4.686x plus 4.927 and x is equal to 0.197y minus 0.548. These are the lines of regression. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet in the next video, students.